5 something in the morning. I don't think it's
5:45.
not quite 6 a.m. yet, and we are walking sort of quickly to the train station so we don't miss the first train out to Haputale.
Yep.
Woo! Woo! Everything is still closed. They're starting to see some life. So we're about 6 a.m. here. The only one's up right now is a puppy. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Oh, can I get 2 tickets to Haputale?
Something to be aware of if you are going to Lipton seat from Haputale is that everyone will tell you that it's not possible to get there from bus. Everyone will stop you, try to sell you a tuk-tuk service. If you want to get a tuk-tuk, it is fast, it's easy to get it. But if you want to take the bus, there is no problem taking the bus. And just make sure you find the Dambetenna bus station. It's when you see that when you get out of the train station, you take kind of a walk around, you'll see all the buses. It's actually behind there. And it's a bus stop, and it takes you right there for about 35 to 40 rupees, which is approximately 20 cents. And or you can take a tuk-tuk, and we got quoted anywhere from the cheapest was 700 and the most expensive was 1800 rupees. I like your style.
I'm cold/warm.
Not quite
tell
sure.
Which one I want more.
Walking all the way to Lipton seat from the bus. So we decided to walk from the bus station about 5.5 kilometers to get to Lipton seat, and I am the slowest walker to mankind. Ryan is so happy right now.
Oh, man.
He said we might get there at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Yeah,
Probably
same
tomorrow. It says in Google Maps an hour and a half, but that was over an hour and a half ago.
thing. That's slow.
We're just enjoying the scenery.
All right, so there's an entrance fee now of 500 per person, Sri Lankan rupees. So that's about $2.50 for US. So here we go, another kilometer and a half.
Yep, almost there.
I'm
Let's go.
crying.
All right, so Nicole has just put on possibly the most fashionable item here in Sri Lanka to go with her white dress. It's looking great. She might be expecting rain, but judging by the sunlight, it won't come soon. So why did you put that on?
A roasty toasty under here
see if
from
you can see
yesterday. It hurts.
Man, yesterday we walked to Ella Rock. We walked to Ella Rock.
Ella Rock. We walked for 11 miles total yesterday in the sun, and I fried, and now I'm frying more.
Yeah,
so.
someone didn't wear sunscreen
I
yesterday.
actually did. I'm just that white.
That's fair.
It's pretty hard to get lost here because on the whole Lipton's road, there's different signs that kind of, you know, you're going in the right direction. You can always pull up, download Google Maps before you come here, or really anywhere when you're traveling. It helps a lot too. I'm tired. I think we're at 5 miles we've walked so far.
Yeah, it's been a day, and it's not even 11.
Yeah, if you have the time, I would suggest walking if you like long walks like this, because the tuk-tuk would be cool and all, but you miss the views. Like, you can really like take them in, and when you're walking through all the tea plantations, so definitely walk if you can.
Yeah, you really get to enjoy it. We see people flying by on tuk-tuks with their phones out, and you kind of lose that aspect of, you know, why you're here.
I agree.
In my opinion, at least.
And you work off some of the rotis you had for breakfast, so.
Yeah, we've been eating a lot of rotis.
So right now it's about 11 a.m. So we did leave at 5 a.m. from a little outside of, about 5:45 a.m. a little outside of Ella. And now it's about 11 a.m. and we're just around the corner from getting there. So let's go check out what we came here for. So after you take your pictures with Mr. Lipton, you can walk up and have some nice cup of tea up here, which we are really looking forward to after all the walking we've done today.
God, yes. We got our black tea.
Right here from the plantations. And they brought lots of yummy snacks.
Yeah.
We've got coconut roti back there, and lentil dal, and a vegetable samosa.
Spicy.
Oh, I'm so excited. A Lipton seat, and at the top you can get some different teas and some different snacks here, and it's really good. I highly recommend it. The tea comes directly from the tea plantations right below us, and you want to make sure you get here early in the day. I would say before 11 a.m. If you can get here for sunrise, that's amazing. We didn't get here until almost 11 a.m. It's pretty good out right now. The mist is starting to come in because right now it's a little afternoon. We've been hanging out, having tea, having some snacks, but it's still absolutely beautiful, and it will kind of move through and you can see some stuff. So if you can't make it to sunrise, don't let that deter you from coming here. It's a really amazing experience. All right, if you're liking this content so far, make sure to give me and Mr. Lipton some love by subscribing and liking this video below. And come check it out.